So now let's see how we can use the make a copy option inside of Google Slides. So here you can see that I got a presentation slide, and let's say I want to make its copy so that I can work on it as a separate version and I can make it different. So in order to do that, I need to go to File, and then over here you can see that there's an option to make a copy. So here, once I go to make a copy, you can see that there's two subsections. One is I can copy the entire presentation. So let me just click on it. And what happens is that you can see that it makes a copy of it. So I'm just going to go around over here and type in, let's say, for example, version 2 right here, version 2 presentation, just like this. And I can save it to my drive. I can go and select the folder right here, just like this, by clicking on it. I'm just going to go around and save it in the root folder itself. And then I can share it with the same people. So if there's some people that I've been sharing document with, I can click on this to share it with the same people. And if there's any comments that I want to copy, I can copy all the comments as well, include resolve comments, and remove all speaker notes. So these are some options. I'm just going to keep it to default and copy nothing. I'm just going to copy the slide designs, and I'm going to press OK. Once I do that, a new slide opens up, as you can see right here, and it's a copy of the file. So there's the exact same number of slides and the design, the slides, slide content as well. So you can make the changes over here. So let's say, for example, you go over here and let's say, for example, you make this red, then only this slide is updated. This remains untouched. So you want to create a copy, then you can use this. Another thing that you can do is copy out just some slides. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to File, and then I'm going to go around into Make a Copy, and then I'm going to click on Selected Slides. So once I do that, again, I get the same option, as you can see. So I'm just going to say version 3 presentation right here, and I'm going to press OK right here. So once I do that, let's see what happens. Only the selected slide gets copied out. You can see that I only selected out the title slide, so only this got copied. Let's just go over here, make a version 4. I'm just going to select this. I'm going to hold Control and select this and this. So I selected these 3 slides. So I can go ahead, click on Make a Copy, selected slides. So this is going to be version 4 now. So I'm just going to go around, erase this part out, and then this is going to be version 4, and I'm going to press OK. So once I do that, what will happen is that another copy will be created with 3 slides. So that is how you can make a copy of the slides in Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.